we can see blue color Sita too. His name is Sri Vishnu.
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 Yes.
Yellow colors, his name is Saman.
Asaman.
Yeah. Another god on the civil. So, the whole picture.
Asaman.
Ganesh.
Ganesh.
Ganesh, you know, Ganesha.
Yes.
Body is a human, but head is an elephant.
Okay.
Next one is Khanda. Skanda is special god because he has 12 arms and 6 faces.
Okay.
Hindu god. Now you have question. This is Buddhist temple. Why Hindu god in here? Sir, Hindus and Buddhists, any combination, that is separate. But that is a different religion. But this temple is sponsored by the king. This temple organized by the king. Before, Sri Lankan king get with Hindu princess. Hindu princess recording Hindu god. King is a Sri Lankan Buddhist, but wife from Indian Hindu is connection. Hindu is a religion, but Buddhist is not a religion. Buddhist is a philosophy and way of the life.
Okay, one is a religion and the other the philosophy.
Yeah, Buddhist is not a religion.
Ok. Budismul nu e o religie, e o filozofie și atunci s-au împăcat cumva, mai ales că e făcut pe vremea regiului care e hindu.